In this video, we will guide beginners on how to make money online. With the rise of the internet and technology, there are now many ways to earn income from the comfort of your own home. Keep watching to learn more. One of the easiest ways to start making money online is through freelance writing. Many websites and companies are looking for writers to create content for their platforms. All you need is strong writing skills, research abilities, and an internet connection to start earning income. Another way to make money online is by taking online surveys. Many companies need feedback from consumers, and they are willing to pay for it. By joining survey websites, you can take surveys and receive payment for your input. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting someone else's product or service and earning a commission for every sale. This can be done through your own website or social media platforms. With the right approach, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative and fun way to earn money online. If you have a talent or knowledge that can be shared with others, then online tutoring can be a great way to earn income. You can offer your services on websites that connect students with tutors. All you need is a webcam, microphone, and a reliable internet connection. Those were just a few examples of how to make money online. There are countless other opportunities out there, and it's important to find the right one that suits your skills and interests. With dedication and hard work, anyone can earn a living online.